Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. By the time you see this, won't be Saturday, but what's up? What it do, baby? It's your girl Morgan Sinclaire, back again for another video. I'm finally vlogging again. I got up this morning and I was like, I'm gonna vlog. So this vlog is basically gonna be a Dollar Tree haul. I'm gonna show you some things that I got from Dollar Tree yesterday, and then I'm gonna show you some things that I've done around my apartment. Oh, shameless plug. Dollar Tree is for the people who are bougie but on a budget, okay? Let me tell you. Also, I'm gonna tell you that I'm doing this campaign with Shaper Mint. This video is not sponsored at all, but if you want products from Shaper Mint, you can, you know, buy the products with my code. I'll put it there, get you some money off. You feel me? And I've done a campaign with Mirrorless as well, so I've done it previously before on my IG. You can both check both of these campaigns out on my IG, and I'll put the code here for Mirrorless as well. And that's just a plug for you guys, because I feel like YouTube land, you guys don't get to see what's going on in my other socials if you don't follow me, so I want to keep you guys abreast. What else is going on? Oh, this is apartment updates too, so I'm going to show you some apartment updates, things that I kind of want to do around my apartment and my Dollar Tree finds. So let's get into that. Y'all, hurry up, it's already started. Come on, I'm here and I got the snacks. Oh, you too. Thank you, girl. I know. Send me some of those. Yeah, send me some of those. And why you got that? Last things to do, and I'll be ready. Never mind all that. Scratch all that. Forget y'all. We already late. It's already started. Back to the show. Style. All right, first Dollar Tree find. It's $1. So I got this vase from Dollar Tree. I got the beads, I think, from Dollar Tree. I brought this vase and this beads from my last place, my last 3-bedroom house. And now I just wanted to change the flowers because I felt like it wasn't giving what it's supposed to be gave. So it had reds and stuff in it. So now it has these beautiful yellow accents and things that stick out, you know. So cute, and I really love this. So this is my first Dollar Tree find. This like placement setup is not a Dollar Tree find, but these, I did change these out. I did add some of those flowers in the last vase to this, and to make it more eccentric, to make it more contemporary glam, because I do have a contemporary glam feel in my apartment. And then I changed the place settings. So I actually got these from Amazon. And I got these from Etsy. I'm really quirky when it comes to certain things, so I love hexagon stuff. I'm not a circle person, if you haven't realized. If I can find hexagon glass wine glasses, I would. But yeah, I've changed the placement. I'm not fond of the white flowers just yet with the elephant in the inside. I don't know. Y'all let me know how you think this looks, but I don't know. So still talking about apartment updates, not necessarily Dollar Tree finds. I actually bought this desk in my last vlog. My friend came over and set it up. It's super junky right now. Please forgive that. I gotta clean it off. I've been working nonstop. But yeah, I got this desk from Amazon, and yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. And we are still looking for pillows. The hunt for pillows are still ongoing. It is what it is. Last thing is this. So I got these books from Amazon as well, but I did this Dollar Tree floral arrangement. So I did kind of the same thing, but added more yellows in this, and it kind of, you can tell it kind of just goes with the room. And also, if you guys are trying to figure out what to do with your leftover candles, I use a Bath and Body Works candle as the center for the piece. And yeah, I think it goes well with the room. What you guys think? And do not mind those pillows, because I'm still on the hunt for pillows. I think I'm going to get them from Amazon, but I'm not entirely sure. Okay, so my latest Dollar Tree finds. I found these clear glass plates, and I got 4 of them. I thought this was so cute, contemporary, modern feel, and it just, you know, bougie on a budget. I bought the last 2 of these wine glasses. I thought they were a cute little neat shape. My sister said she found these somewhere else, but I was like, haha, you didn't get them from Dollar Tree. I paid $1. And the last thing was I got some clear glass bowls. I actually got 4 plates and 4 bowls, but let me tell y'all, the Dollar Tree manager gave me a box, put it in my car, tried to lift the box out of my car coming home, and everything fell. Thank God only one bowl like broke, but I'm going back to Dollar Tree today to get 1 more bowl. I have to have 4 to match everything else. And trying to find some knickknacks for my floating shelves, and I'm about to show you guys my floating shelves that I got from Dollar Tree. Here are my Dollar Tree floating shelves. Oh my god, look at this. $1, $1, and I'm gonna get, either I'm gonna put these up or I'm gonna get my friend that put up my desk to help me put these up. So yeah, so finding some knickknacks today and hopefully putting these up. So yeah guys, hopefully putting these floating shelves up by the door, and I want some knickknacks to go along too. Getting another glass bowl, 1 more floating shelf, so I only bought 2, and some knickknacks. I'm going to the same Dollar Tree and then another Dollar Tree to see if I can find something, some neat stuff, and then I'm going to HomeSense. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I gotta do these errands because later on me and my friend are going to shoot some content. I'm in my Shaper Mint tights right now, you feel me? I'm in my Shaper Mint tights right now, so we're gonna shoot some content. So I'm fully dressed for my content shoot. I just don't have on any makeup. I just didn't feel like my makeup needs to be done right now, so I'm gonna go run errands. So still updating my apartment. I feel like I'm always continuously update my apartment, but things that I want to do, just let's like talk about that. I want to add some mini pictures in between the wall art that I have behind my couch. Make sure you go and check those vlogs back and see what I've done. I've also updated my bathroom. I'm not gonna show you guys my bathroom right now because it's not done, but it's a lot of contemporary glam touches. Golds, glass, jars for storage and organization. It's really cute. So once I get it to the point where I really feel comfortable with it, then I'll show you guys. So I'm not gonna keep y'all in the dark for too long. Another thing is, you probably didn't know by looking at my desk, but I have my dining room chair at my desk. So trying to find a dining room chair that matches my decor. So the color that I'm looking for is hopefully like a gray chair or a white cream chair. And I'm looking on Amazon, they're tufted. We're gonna go to Dollar Tree, we're gonna get these errands done and hopefully come back, and my friend says she's ready so we can shoot some content. I won't bring you guys on the content shoot, but if you guys would want to see how content goes with us, because you know I try to collab with other content creators, so if you want to see how it goes with us, let me know, put it down in the comment section. I'll get that done for you. But I do have a video already on how I do my own photos, so make sure you guys go check that out. Before I go to Dollar Tree, I gotta eat something. So I'm gonna use my clear bowl and make a smoothie bowl. And if you don't follow me on TikTok, I make these all the time on my TikTok, so make sure you guys go follow me on TikTok. Let's make my smoothie bowl, we can eat and then we can go. my boo. Boom. You're doing a good job, babe. Hey guys, quick thing. I got my phone in the way. I'm driving, but I'm not driving. I'm at the stoplight. Quick thing. So today I'm super excited to be telling you guys about my new venture. I will be starting a podcast along with my best friend. So if you've seen my Jamaica vlog, you know who my best friend is. It's Kai. I'm so excited that it's actually coming out today as I'm vlogging, so it'll be out by the time you see this. It's called the R&B podcast. R&B stands for ratchetness in business, and we're basically talking about the ratchetness of adulthood, relationships, our jobs, and everything else in between. It gives us an avenue to really speak freely about our jobs, give you guys some business tips, just how to navigate this adulthood, this ratchet hood called adulthood that we're in, and hopefully get out of the hood, you feel me? So I'm super excited. It's a raw type of thing for me. I get to really talk and really just like show you guys you know, like how I feel, and especially in the industry.
Of a mile, turn right onto Cedar Lane.
Especially in the industry that is so hard to elevate in. So make sure you guys will check out the R&B podcast, R&B podcast, hosted by Morgan Sinclair and HQ the Boss. I'm so excited, but that was my little shameless plug. Make sure y'all go check out and give us some reviews, guys. Let us know if you like it. I'm pretty sure if you subscribe to my channel, that means you like and watch my vlogs. That means you like the way I talk, 'cause I talk a lot. But yeah, it's gonna be super dope, and I'm super excited. So